What up, gang? It's your boy Charger 17 3.0 coming at you guys with another video today. Today's video is got something to do up under my hood that I've been prolonging for a minute. But I'm like, this is the perfect season. I already have my oil change done. You already hint with the word oil change, I done did that. What's inside this box here, y'all? Got my oil catch can. It's black. It's the URP catch can, y'all, from them guys. We're gonna get up in it. And they give you the sticker and everything. That's what I'm talking about. But you know how I like to start all my videos so far. Some of them. Some of them. Is we're gonna start it with that. We're starting with that cold start. You already know. It's ready to get up in there, and we're gonna quiet. Ooh, hear that air intake? Hear that tank, y'all? Hear that? Yeah, so we about to get up in there. We about to, I'm about to lay everything out up under here, so. I'm not so sure if I'm gonna show you guys how to do it in installment, because you know I'm still learning how to do all this good, wonderful work up under the hood. As you know, my own man, mechanic down this way, right here. But as you hear how I cut it off real fast, it got quiet like it never was one. But this ain't gonna be a long video. This is gonna be a short video to show you guys what. Let me show you guys here. Let me show you. So right here where we're talking about this whole tool, right? This whole tool. This line right here is the line that we're gonna take out and replace it with this down here. We'll replace it with all that right there. Put together and everything. Matter of fact, I'm gonna lay everything out right here. I'm gonna lay everything out. Starting with the hose. Got the nice hoses right here. You see that? Nice. I believe, according to what they how they say, they already pre-cut it to fit perfect. You got the catch can. Oh, thank God it's plastic there. What we got? What we got? Whoop, whoop. We got all the stuff right here. These here to go over the hose. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show you guys how to do this. I'm gonna show you from my side of view how we do things around here. I got all the tools that I need. You're gonna need this. What size of tool? For that, you see right there? Focus. There you go. You're gonna need that tool to bolt this on down here. It's gonna be right in here. You see down there. Now where's my, this is like my #1 favorite tool to have. Can't go wrong with it. I'm gonna get this out with this, and then I'm gonna use this side to get this side out and that side out. So this side, because it's flathead anyway, I'm gonna use this side and that side to get both ends out. First, I'm gonna start with this end down here. So why not? We get into it, right? you just saw me doing, installing my catch can, yes, I'm going to tighten that back up because my hands are big, and I'm gonna get change this here to get up in there to tighten it. And other than that, everything, make sure everything is put together nicely firm, so you have everything in there. Oh, by the way, I ain't never unscrew this for y'all. There you guys go. That's how it looks up in there, nicely firm. So yeah, I'm gonna get to tighten that part up. Like I said, I'm gonna tighten that up, make sure everything is nicely firm, tight. I mean, pretty sure you saw in the video. But other than that, that's pretty much it, guys. That was a quick video of me installing my catch can on my 6.4 right here, on my Scatpack 6.4, baby. So that's pretty much it for my engine mods. That's the extend the life of this wonderful Hemi here, this Hemi. And yeah, I already have my oil change, so it's perfect time to install that and see how it goes from there, because I ain't really got crazy with the car like I want to since I had it. So this is your boy Charger 17 3.0 coming at you guys with another video today. You see I got the Mopar no car, baby. Mopar performance, huh? That's what your boy is all about, you know. Hit that like, subscribe, y'all. Peace, everybody.